Forget everything you know about traditional biking. In 2026, stability meets pure, unadulterated power. Electric trikes have evolved from basic mobility aids into absolute beasts of daily commuting and off-road dominance. We are counting down the 12 best electric trikes of 2026 that are completely redefining how we hit the road. Stick around, because the sheer engineering on this list might just convince you to ditch your car forever. Kicking things off is the Pucky Puppy Rottweiler electric trike. This is a machine built for dominance. Packing a monstrous 960-watt peak rear brushless motor, the Rottweiler devours steep hills effortlessly. But the true game changer is its thumb-controlled reverse function. No more struggling to back out of tight spots. Just press, twist, and glide backward. Paired with a full dual suspension design and a 55-mile range under maximum payload, it delivers a relentlessly smooth ride under maximum payload. Next is the Verbus FC1 folding electric trike. Portability usually means sacrificing performance, but the FC1 refuses to compromise. It hides a 750-watt motor that peaks at a massive 1200 watts, transferring power down to thick, shock-absorbing fat tires. The engineering standout here is its independent rear differential, ensuring maximum traction and balance when ripping around corners. And when the ride is over, the entire chassis folds seamlessly for tight storage. Rolling into our next spot is the Best Triker folding 3-wheel electric bike. Designed for zero-fatigue cruising, the Triker utilizes a high-efficiency 48-volt system to conquer inclines with a 1200-watt peak motor. The magic lies in its rider geometry. Ultra-wide 18-inch tires, a low center of gravity, and a plush seat with an adjustable backrest completely eliminate rider strain. With heavy-duty cargo racks on deck, it is the ultimate hybrid of extreme comfort and rugged utility. Moving deeper into the heavy-hitting tier, we have the MaxFoot Max Z folding electric trike. This machine proves that accessibility does not mean sacrificing brute strength. Built around the fortified, ultra-low step-through aluminum alloy frame, the Max Z houses a 750-watt rear-drive motor capable of launching you to 22 miles per hour with absolute authority. It utilizes a highly tactical staggered fat tire setup, a 24-inch front tire paired with dual 20-inch rear tires to deliver an aggressive grip and unmatched cornering stability on unpredictable terrain. Factor in a massive 85-mile range on a single charge and an integrated parking brake system that locks it down on steep inclines, and you have a rugged urban cruiser that conveniently folds down when the mission is complete. But what if your primary objective is pure, uninterrupted distance? Enter the Victrip Dion folding electric trike. This is the undisputed endurance athlete of the e-trike sector. The Dion is engineered specifically to eradicate range anxiety, packing a high-voltage battery architecture that delivers extreme mileage while sustaining high cruising speeds. It dominates the pavement and the dirt alike on thick, puncture-resistant all-terrain fat tires, yet features a surprisingly intuitive folding chassis that makes it remarkably easy to transport in the back of an SUV. With an advanced suspension system soaking up heavy turbulence, the Dion is a long-range tactical tank built for riders who refuse to turn back early. If you want to bring someone along for the ride without compromising performance, the Ad-Motor Great Tan L electric passenger trike completely rewrites the rules of two-up travel. This is not just a standard trike, it is a premium dual-passenger command center. Equipped with a high-torque 750-watt brushless motor and a sophisticated dual battery system, the Great Tan L pushes a staggering 130 miles of range. It features a specialized L-shaped rear passenger seat, an independent rear speed differential for flawless high-weight cornering, and a massive 500-pound payload capacity. From its reinforced double-shoulder suspension fork to the hyper-responsive torque sensor that maps your exact pedaling force, this is the ultimate heavy-duty expedition vehicle for two. SKERI ET03 Electric Tricycle, a masterclass in utility engineering. Don't let the folding frame fool you. This is a powerhouse. It features a high-torque rear motor peaking at 1350 watts, giving it the grunt needed to move heavy loads without breaking a sweat. It's equipped with a rear differential, ensuring that each wheel rotates independently during tight turns, which drastically improves stability and prevents that tipping sensation common in older trike designs. With its 20-inch all-terrain fat tires and a fast-charging 48-volt system, ET03, the rider who needs a serious workhorse that can still tuck away into a closet or trunk at a moment's notice. Shifting gears to a more refined cruising experience, we have the Meattone Breeze electric trike. This model is all about the semi-recumbent revolution. By positioning the pedals slightly forward, Meattone has created a ride that feels more like a lounge chair on wheels, taking the pressure off your hips and lower back. But it's not just about comfort, it's a range monster. The Breeze is dual battery ready, meaning you can stack two massive 48-volt batteries to reach an incredible 80 to 130 miles of range. It even features anti-tip assist wheels and a dedicated reverse mode, making it one of the most user-friendly and safest options for long-distance urban exploration in 2026. Then we have the Kurange Aurora electric tricycle, which strikes the perfect balance between classic aesthetics and modern electric performance. The Aurora stands out with its oversized 26-inch wheels, offering a higher vantage point and a much smoother roll over urban obstacles like potholes and curbs. It utilizes a 750-watt front hub motor that pulls you through the streets with silent efficiency. What makes the Aurora a standout in the 2026 market is its integrated smart lighting system and a high-capacity 350-pound cargo basket. It's the ideal choice for the eco-conscious shopper or the daily commuter who needs a reliable, stylish vehicle that handles like a dream while carrying a full week's worth of groceries. We are entering the final tier where electric trikes transition into full-blown futuristic cruisers. Leading this pack is the Eora M1P electric chopper motorcycle. This is for the rider who wants to make a statement before they even twist the throttle. Styled like a classic lowrider chopper, the M1P is packing a 4,000-watt peak QS motor and a massive 60-volt battery. We're talking about a top speed of 37 miles per hour and a look that commands respect on any street. With its massive fat tires and hydraulic inverted fork suspension, it doesn't just look like a motorcycle, it rides with the same aggressive stability and vibration-dampening smoothness you'd expect from a gas-powered hog, but with the silent, instant torque of electric power. Moonool TK1 folding electric tricycle. A masterclass in rugged versatility, TK1 engineered for the adventure anywhere mindset. While many trikes struggle with steep inclines, TK1 utilizes a high-output dual drive system to provide the traction needed for gravel paths and hilly suburbs. The specialized 20-inch fat tires are puncture-resistant, meaning you can transition from pavement to light trails without a second thought. Despite its heavy-duty build and massive cargo capacity, the TK1 contains a clever folding mechanism that shrinks its footprint significantly. It's the ultimate pick for those who need a durable, all-terrain workhorse that can still fit inside a standard apartment or garage. There you have it, the 12 best electric trikes of 2026 that are officially ending the era of boring commutes. Whether you're looking for the raw chopper power of the Eora M1P or the foldable utility of the Moonool MC3, there has never been a better time to upgrade to 3 wheels. The technology is faster, the range is longer, and the stability is unmatched. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of mobility, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Tech Wheels. We're tracking every major breakthrough in the EV world so you don't have to. Which of these trikes would you pick for your daily driver? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.